So you want to keep your garage warm in winter and dry when it rains? Installing garage door Weatherstrip is the difference between freezing toes and cozy weekends. Not to mention, it can cut drafts by up to 20%. I checked. I get it. One big issue is that most garages leak air like a sieve. Instant energy bills spike, not to mention the swarm of leaves, dust, and sometimes a mouse or two. Really, the factory strip is usually toast after a couple of years. Life happens. First, pick up the right stuff. There's bottom seals, side, and top vinyl. Go for the all-weather stuff. Spend an extra $12, thank yourself later. If you have a two-car garage, measure it. Most doors are either 8, 9, or 16 feet wide. Grab a hammer, nails, a screwdriver, and a utility knife. I know you probably have these, but 9 times out of 10, someone's lost the good utility knife. You'll want a step stool or ladder too. And some music makes literally everything easier. Pro tip here. Take a photo of your garage door before you start. Honestly, I forget how it looked all the time. This is like insurance for remembering where things go, especially if you need to look up your door's model. Start by pulling off the old weather strip. Usually it's brittle and rips apart anyway, so don't stress. Use your screwdriver to loosen any staples or nails holding it on. This is a destroy before you build situation. Clean the surface where the new strip will sit. This step sounds boring, but dirt and old glue mean the new one won't stick. A bit of soapy water and a rag does the trick. Give it 10 minutes to dry fully. Now line up your new strip along the bottom of the door first. Most strips have a T-shaped end that slides into a metal track. If yours doesn't, just align it evenly and start nailing or screwing it in from one side. Go slow. Be sure you squeeze the strip tight against the door bottom. No gaps. Use a rubber mallet, not essential but much easier than a regular hammer, to tap the seal into place. Work your way across 1 foot at a time, checking the fit. Doing the sides and top is basically the same idea. Hold the weather strip flush against the frame with the flexible edge just touching the closed door. Nail or screw every 8 to 10 inches. If you see light coming through, adjust as you go. If the strip is too long, just trim it with your utility knife. Don't overthink it. Sometimes the angle at the top is a pain. I usually mark it with a pencil before cutting so I don't ruin a piece and have to drive back to Home Depot. Big confession. The first time I did this, I left a 2-inch gap at the bottom that turned my garage into a wind tunnel. Test by closing the door and looking for daylight. If you see any, redo that section. Learn from my mistake. You finish up, stand back, and it looks not bad. The next rain comes and your garage stays dry. Mice stay out, even the car feels less cold somehow. Best of all, for under $40 in 20 minutes, it makes the house feel a step closer to complete.